Hello, I'm Neville Framjee, and I'm going to talk to you about our project, which is on data plan for exploring employment trends in the United States. We, for the use of our project, we utilize data sets from the Bureau of Labor Statistics, BLS group, and namely the data sets, namely Bureau of Labor Statistics, OEWS data set, Bureau of Labor Statistics Employment Projections, Current Population Survey, earning by education data, and usual weekly earnings of wage and salary workers by a news release. With the help of these data sets, we answered a few questions for our project, and through this, we have presented our data via Tableau. Questions, namely, for example, what are the research? So the questions which we analyze a few research questions, and a few questions are like, what is the top occupations projected within a period of 10 years? Another question is, how does educational attainment affect employment prospects and earnings across different occupations? Or like, what demographic factors are influencing shifts in the labor force and how are they expected to evolve in the coming years? So with the help of the data sets which I had just mentioned, we answered these questions, and we presented our findings and our results via Tableau. And the data sets, like for the first question, we use the BLS employment projections. For the second one, we utilize the current population survey data set and the OEWS data set. And for the third one, we utilize the current population survey and the employment projection data set. So a reason why we chose these data sets is because they offer extensive coverage of the employment data in the United States, providing detailed insights into occupational growth, educational requirements, wage trends, and demographic characteristics. The BLS datasets contain data on employment, wages, industry, specific data, occupational statistics, and employment projections. The BLS group datasets also contain data on employment numbers, projected growth, wage information, and educational requirements for various occupations. So I think the most appropriate data aggregation for our data set would be summarizing employment data by occupation and industry to identify the trends and patterns, aggregating wage data by educational attainment to explore the relationships between education and earnings, or segmenting demographic data by age and gender to analyze shifts in the labor force composition. So with the help of this data, we utilize Tableau because it has exemplary presentation abilities, and we were able to display this data via Tableau effectively. Thank you.